Today we'll talk about how can you select SMS sounds on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on general, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on SMS here. So then here can you select here SMS sounds in this list on your Truecaller app. Here can you select it in this list. You have a lot of sounds. So automatically it's going to add with you here on your SMS sounds on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.